Good morning. This is vlog number 3 called Good Property Management. I'm not quite awake yet, guys. I woke up as soon as I heard them starting to come out. I've got really good ears. So yeah, starting the day kind of not too early today, but we've got digging going on over here.
Also, my range here is real square. But you don't see this line right here? It's perimeter there. They told Colin not to do it with SDR, so we couldn't replace it. It goes like this, look.
It's right here. It comes that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Or this way?
Yeah.
This
That
one?
No.
This one?
First way, yeah.
So where's the other side of it?
Right here. Right there.
Oh yeah, but I'm talking about the downstream part.
Oh, it's right there. It goes that way.
Oh, it turns right there? So
Yeah,
it
turns.
like broke on the turn?
Yeah, like 90s
So you
almost.
just gotta undermine a little bit?
A few moments later.
Isn't too much. That should work.
That would work right there. Can the wife fit where now?
Where your foot was just at?
Right here?
Yeah.
I mean, no, because it's got to line up. Putting together a puzzle. Literally. Nice. This is gonna work pretty cool.
Alrighty, so I have the lovely woman next to me. There she is. She's going to be helping me do not this first property, but the next property that I have. Got a lot of bush trimming to do. Luckily, I don't have to haul it off, so I'm thankful for that. Yeah, we got 2 yards on the schedule today, and after that, we're gonna go to Petco. And
oh, there it is.
That's cool.
Sorry.
We're gonna go to Petco and go grocery shopping. And I've already dropped off 2 business cards on 2 very overgrown yards that do definitely need it down my street. So I'm hoping that I get to work down there, because it'd be nice to be able to have work that's close by. So more on that later. I'll see you guys at the property. Guys, so we're at the first property. This is one of my other clients that I have. Very simple, easy backyard. Not a lot of, there's the front, the back looks kind of similar, so I'm just gonna get it cut. them out in the field. Don't blow stuff towards the porch. You get to this point. Stop. Blow everything out. Because what you're doing is you're creating more headache and more mess for yourself when you pull it out. Also, if you have a backyard that you can blow the leaves and stuff in there, do it. What I do is I blow all this stuff out of that bed, and out of that bed, blow it into the backyard, and then I can blow it into the corner and scoop it up. Into a pile right there, scoop that up, blow this driveway clean. I am gonna probably quote them for power washing, just to get the driveway looking cleaner, you know, stuff like that. I'm just using the hula hoe and I'm getting this stuff right here, all that nastiness that's right there. I've been busting that out. It just makes the property look so much more better. All right, everybody, we're at this property. Gotta cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bushes all together in total. Gotta cut them and make them look nice, but yeah, so far so good.
Sometimes when he gets all super into digging, he'll like roll in it. It's cute. Oh, did you find a blackberry branch? He likes breaking roots.